Welcome, and follow me as a Honor 90 Lite, and today I will show you how you can record a screen on this device. So to get started, we're going to pull down our notifications and we're going to swipe down once more to extend the list of toggles. Now somewhere here you should see a screen recording toggle. For me it is right over here, as you can see. So hopefully you can find yours in the same exact place, as this is the default location of the toggles. From here, once you see it, you can just simply press on it. It will ask for permission to a couple different things like audio. So you can select while using up, screen recording. During screen recording, all operations on the screen will be recorded. That's bullshit. This feature requires access to the microphone. Okay. Now I am gonna turn off the microphone because I don't like to hear myself. And anyway, from here we can open up any application like the message stated. Any operation will be recorded. Like I said, that's kind of BS, because I'm gonna prove it right now to you that it doesn't actually work like that. So here's an operation. Hey, look at that, I'm checking out Netflix, right? We can see all this kind of stuff here, right? Cool, all fun and dandy. Let's stop it because that's all I really wanted to show. And now we can go to the gallery application, if I can actually find it somewhere, hopefully sooner than later. Oh, there we go, photos. Now I don't want to update. And in here we can navigate to the library, and we should have, there we go, screenshots folder, which also includes screen recordings. So it includes screenshots and screen recordings, and here's the actual screen recording. And in a second you should see it. Yeah, it's already playing. Sorry for the earthquake. Now, as far as I recall, there was content here. Where the F is it then? So like I said, not everything will be recorded because there are some very cunty apps in here that have the ability to block your screen recorder, aka have more control over your device than you do, because number one, they know that you're recording, and number two, they can prevent the recording from happening in their application. Which to me is a massive red flag for privacy, considering some application has more knowledge of the device and control over it than I would like it to, and I can't do anything about it. But that being said, there's a couple applications like that you will probably experience. So anytime you have a screen recording that just presents you with a fully black screen, even though you know it shouldn't be like that, just know that that application has more control over your device than it should. And with that being said, I'm gonna just kind of give you a couple applications that I would know or expect that would work this way. So streaming applications like Netflix, Hulu, and other ones will most likely do this. Obviously Netflix does it. Then additionally, applications that have some not secure, but some sensitive information, for instance, bank applications, will also do it. Now those would do it for more of your own security rather than their own, so that's actually okay. It would be also better if you would have the option to do so yourself, to choose if you want to block it or not. But just know that bank applications also tend to block screen recorders. Now, with that being said, hopefully you found this video helpful and informative. And if you did, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.